everyone, Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's I'll try to compare the both phones Mi11X versus iQOO 7 device in terms of the PUBG touch sampling rate comparison. So as friends, just today and yesterday I did upload plenty of videos on the touch sampling rate comparison, and lot of users they did ask me one question that can you please compare the touch sampling rate Mi11X versus iQOO 7 in terms of the PUBG gameplay. As you can see friends, so many messages I got request for the past 24 hours, so many. Even right now lot of people they are waiting for this particular video, so I thought of recording right now friends. So don't forget to check the playlist for more epic comparison videos where you can find this kind of training videos as well. So make sure to check the playlist for more details. And let's see friends which phone will be having the better touch sampling rate. First let me try to show you the application, and just to be clear that which phone has what type of touch sampling rate. So is the application which I'll be trying to use. The iQOO 7 has got as you can see, let me try to show you friends, close to 420 as you can see here. So 420 I'm getting the touch sampling rate, but you need to minus the 420 with 120 Hz refresh rate. So overall I am getting about exactly 300 Hz refresh rate in this iQOO 7 device, and it is the Mi11X smartphone as you can see friends. So using this application I'm getting about 480. As you can see 480 it's increasing. So if you minus the 480 minus 120, then you will be getting the 360 Hz touch sampling rate. So 360 Hz touch sampling rate in the Mi11X device, and 120 and 300 Hz touch sampling rate in the iQOO 7 device. So now let's see friends, if you compare side by side, I'll try to play the PUBG game at same time. I'll try to click the fire button. So that is what a lot of users are really asking me to do. But the iQOO 7 has got the instant 1000 Hz touch sampling rate. Instant. That's the instant friends when you press. So that is what I'm trying to mention clearly. So let me try to start the game and try to show you. As you can see friends, right now I do have the Mi11X device and iQOO 7 ready. So let me try to fire at same time in both phones. Let's see which phone will be the winner. As you can see friends, right now the Mi11X is the winner. So it is the Mi11X smartphone in the test 1. So I'll try to do this kind of testing multiple times, and I'll try to show you as well. As you can see friends, right now I'm trying to use the scope and I'm trying to do at same time the kill on the face. Let's see. As you can see friends, right now the clear winner is the iQOO 7. As you can clearly see, the iQOO 7 did keep it. And one time the Mi11X device, one time iQOO 7, and one time again Mi11X device. So let me try to do it again. So right now I did remove the scope in both phones, as you can clearly see. So right now as you can see friends, both phones, let me try to do it at same time. As you can see, this time the iQOO 7 is a winner, as you can clearly see friends. So this time, so let's see again. So overall friends, one thing is clear, both phones are really having the really good touch sampling rate in terms of the PUBG gameplay. No issues, not much delay. So sometimes the Mi11X is a winner, sometimes the iQOO 7 is a winner. Let's see friends again. I'll try to compare again once more time. So let's see one more time. Until now both are having the equal points one by one. So right now let's see friends which phone will be able to do it first. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. As you can see friends, at same time I did in both phones, and the winner is this time iQOO 7 smartphone. So let me try to do again. And after watching all these clips, you would have got a clear idea friends. Both are having the really good touch sampling rate in terms of the response. Both are really fast and accurate, as you can see here. Let me try to do the slow motion test as well if possible. So we will be able to determine how is the touch response in the slow motion mode as well. I'll try to do that. As you can see friends, right now I'm doing the slow motion shot comparison between both phones, Mi11X and the iQOO 7 device. So both are kind of same time they are trying to fire, as you can clearly see friends. So this is a slow motion shot. As you can clearly see the touch input as well when I'm trying to do. Both reacting at same time. So make sure to comment below friends in case if you feel any kind of difference and if you felt which phone is the best as well. So in this case I'm unable to judge which phone is exactly faster in terms of the PUBG touch sampling rate particularly. So I may not be able to notice much difference within these both phones. So since they are kind of close to each other in terms of the touch sampling rate, so 300 Hz and the 360 Hz, so not much difference is there at this point. And Definitely friends, I'll try to compare with other smartphones as well, maybe with the OnePlus 9R or Realme X1 Pro or Realme X1 Max as well. So definitely I'm planning to buy the smartphone very soon. So very soon I might get hands on with the Realme X1 Max as well. So I'll try to do the same kind of testing. But right now in the slow motion shot testing, so both are having the kind of same kind of reactions. So they're trying to show when you're trying to fire it. So that is what I did observe during this time. And in case if you want me to do any other game particularly, so make sure to comment below. I'll do that game test as well very soon. So now friends, finally the conclusion is that both are having the really great touch sampling rate response while PUBG gaming. So both have same kind of output as well in my video testing. That is what I did find out. And make sure to comment below friends, in case if you want me to do different kind of testing, I'll do my best. Right now same kind of touch sampling rate is there, kind of close to each other. So sometimes the MLNX, sometimes the IQ7 device. So in this case I'm not unable to give the clear winner friends, but both are having the same equal kind of touch sampling rate. Even though the IQ7 has got the 300 Hz and the MLNX has got 360 Hz, but sometimes it feels kind of close to each other only friends. And thank you for watching this video friends, and in case if you want me to do more videos, so don't forget to comment below. I'll do my best to post the video as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.